Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. And if you are new here and you do not know me, my name is Seda and I welcome you all on my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon which is right next to it. So you will be notified every single time I upload a new video. So in today's video, I am going to create this soft glowy makeup look for Eid. Yes, I created this look for Eid. I hope you will going to enjoy watching this look and also will going to try this look. So if you are interested that how to get this look, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to start off my makeup by using some moisturizer cream, and for that I'm using this coconut brightening cream from uh, Good Vibes. So we will going to dot it, we'll going to apply it in dotted motion on all our face. And next, to hydrate my lips, I'm going to use this Biotic lip balm, whitening lip balm. It has a little bit of red tint, so and let it sit this moisturizer on your skin for about good 10 minutes. So आपकी स्किन उसको absorb कर ले, then we will going to start our makeup. And for my base today, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude. And since we are doing a daytime makeup, so I'm going to take only this much amount. थोड़ा सा और ले लेंगे हम लोग अपनी नेक के लिए. And with the help of this beauty blender, damp beauty blender, we will going to blend this out. And next, to cover the darker areas of my face, like under my eyes and around my mouth, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium. And I'm going to blend this out with help of this Mars Beauty Damp Beauty Blender. And next, to set my concealer, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder. By the way, this brush is from Cuff and Lashes. This is their powder brush, F14. And next, I'm going to contouring my cheeks little bit to give a definition. And for contouring, I'm using this palette by Sugar. And next, to give little bit glow and freshness to my cheeks, I'm going to use this Maybelline Color Show blush in the shade Fresh Coral. And next, to highlight the highest point of my cheeks, I'm going to use this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. So once you finish your makeup, entire makeup, you can use makeup fixer, but जैसे मैंने अभी अपना बेस मेकअप फिनिश कर लिया है, तो यहीं पर मैं मेकअप फिक्सर यूज़ कर रही हूँ. एंड फॉर दैट आई एम यूजिंग दिस स्विस ब्यूटी मेकअप फिक्सर. इट इज़ एलोवेरा बेस्ड नेचुरल काइंड ऑफ मेकअप फिक्सर. शेक इट वेल and let it dry. And to set my eyebrow, I'm going to use this Hilary Rhoda palette in the shade 03. And for that I will be using this Sigma brush, and I will use these two shades here. मैं इनको मिक्स करके अपने आईब्रो पे अप्लाई करूँगी. Dust off, always dust off the excess product. Firstly, brush them downwards so you can actually figure out where you need to fill the product. So next we will do our eye makeup, and for that I'm going to use this Eye Magic 35 color eyeshadow palette. And for that I'm going to dip my brush into this shade and always dust off the excess product, and I will going to apply it on my crease line. I'm going to take this brown shade from the palette and we will apply it on the outer V of our eye. And next I'm going to apply this shimmery shade right here with the help of my finger on my middle of my eyelid. So next मैंने क्लीन फ्लफी ब्रश लिया है और इसकी हेल्प से हम लोग एक बार इस तरह से अपनी क्रीज लाइन में इसको रन कर लेंगे, so that any harsh line cannot be visible. And next we will going to apply some eyeliner, and for that I'm using this Stay Quirky Badass eyeliner. Guys, it is a very good eyeliner. You should definitely try this. Just follow your natural lash line. first I'm going to tight line my upper waterline, and for that I'm using this Lotus Kajal. सी एक डिफरेंस नज़र आ रहा होगा आपको, इससे आपकी जो आई लैशेस है वो और भी ज़्यादा डेंस नज़र आती हैं। एंड सॉरी हम लोग अपनी लोअर लैश लाइन को तो करना भूल ही गए थे, सो बहुत ही अजीब लगेगा अगर हम कोई कलर नहीं लगाएंगे। सो उसी ऑर्डर में मैं सेम वही ट्रांजिशन शेड ये वाला अपनी लोअर लैश लाइन पे भी लगा लूँगी। And lastly, to finish off my eye makeup, I'm going to use this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and it will give nice length and volume to your lashes. And for my lips, I'm going to use this soft matte lip cream by Swiss Beauty in the shade 06. So I just quickly go and change my outfit. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did so, then please give it a big thumbs up, and also do subscribing to my channel, and also share it with your friends and family. Your support would mean a lot to me. And lastly, I just want to say you a very big Eid Mubarak to all of you, and घर पे रहिए, safe रहिए, and I shall see you soon in my next one. Until then, stay beautiful, stay positive. Bye bye.